Anthony's Adventures, Chinese New Year. Hi, welcome to Anthony's Adventures. I'm Anthony, and today we're in Chinatown in New York City. Now you can tell we're in Chinatown because of all the Chinese writing on the signs. And the Chinese food. Luckily, we're visiting right in the middle of the 15-day celebration of the Chinese New Year. Every year, there's a big parade that fills the streets with dancing lions. And I just happen to know one. Sabrina, are you in there?
Yeah.
Hey, Sabrina.
Hi.
Hey, guys, this is my buddy Sabrina.
Hi.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. In Chinese, it's actually Gong Hei Fat Choi.
Gong Hei Fat Choi.
Yeah.
I love it. And this is a lion.
Yeah.
What does it do?
Well, a long time ago, long time ago, it was an ancient tradition for the lions to come out and scare the evil spirits away and bring good luck.
And they do that each New Year.
Yeah, we do.
There's a mirror on the top. What is that for?
Yeah, the mirror is actually to show the reflection of the evil spirits so they can scare themselves away.
And the mouth works on here, and the eyes blink. Could I try?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, let's see.
Try a wink. Good job, Anthony.
Gong Hei Fat Choi. Sabrina belongs to the Chinatown community Young Lions, and they do a lot of dancing at this time of year. The Chinese New Year is filled with ancient tradition, and one of my favorites is the gift. Now, this is called a... Sabrina!
Hi, Anthony.
What do we call this again?
It's called a Hongbao.
A Hongbao.
Yeah, and it's actually a gift from married couples, which they give to children filled with money or candy for good luck and prosperity.
Gong Hei Fat Choi.
Thank you, Gong Hei Fat Choi.
Thank you. Aren't you going to open it?
No, I have to wait, because it's actually disrespectful if I open it in front of you.
So you have to wait.
Guess so.
What do you say we give some of these out?
Sounds good.
Gong Hei Fat Choi. Happy New Year. Gong Hei Fat Choi. Gong Hei Fat Choi. This is a drum. Wow, that's a lot of noise. And that's used to scare away the evil spirits.
Yes.
Oh, wow. I wish there was something I could do to help.
Sure. Make the symbols.
Really? Oh, thanks, Kyle.
You're welcome.
These are symbols. Oh, you think I could be in the parade?
Sure, but you'll need a shirt.
Oh, Kyle, you rock.
Thank you.
While the rest of the young lions get ready for the parade, Sabrina treats me to one of my favorite Chinese foods. Dumplings. Sabrina, how do you say that in Chinese?
In Chinese, we call it soy gao.
Soy gao.
Yeah.
You know how I say it? Delicious. What else do you do to celebrate the New Year?
The day before New Year's, we actually have a lot of friends and family over for a big dinner. Like, it's the last meal before the New Year. And this is actually one of the main dishes.
Is it really? Well, hey, here's to new friends, huh? Cheers. You know what will go great with these dumplings?
What?
A parade.
Sounds good.
Come on. The streets are getting crowded with excited people waiting for the parade to start. The dancers practice one more time. Then, the parade begins! Everything in the parade is so bright and colorful and loud! And it makes you feel like you're part of something really big. And you are. Over 1 billion people all over the world celebrate the Chinese New Year. I know one thing for sure. I will always remember it. Why? Chinese New Year is lots of fun. For you and me and everyone. It's a time for gifts for girls and boys and dancing lions and lots of noise. It may be cold when New Year comes, but we stay warm by beating drums. Family and friends share a meal and celebrate the joy they feel. Thanks for joining us here in Chinatown. We'll see you next time on Anthony's Adventures. And if you're an evil spirit, you better get out of here. Gong Hei Fat Choi.